If you like my video, please subscribe, like and comment down below. We're heading to Prague Castle now. So before we head off, we found this beautiful park leading to the royal garden, and you can see a really beautiful view at the top of the garden or the park. Look how beautiful the view is from the top. And now you can see a glimpse of Prague Castle from the garden or the park. This royal garden is an Italian Renaissance garden built in 1534 by Emperor Ferdinand I. He built this garden for his wife Queen Anne, and she did have a summer house next door to it, which she spent her summers with the family as well. You can see how beautiful he made this for her, and I wish that my husband would build me something like this, but I don't have a husband that can build me something like this, so she's quite lucky. We have finally arrived in Prague Castle. The castle was built in the 9th century Baroque style by architect Matthias of Arras and Peter Parler, and it's currently the official office of the President of the Czech Republic. Before that, the castle was a seat of power for kings of Bohemia, Holy Roman emperors and presidents of Czechoslovakia. Enjoy the scenery, the architecture and the people. So this is the Charles Bridge, and it was built in the 1300s. As you can see, it's really busy. September is a nice day to go to Prague, and here is the river, and we're going to see the opera now. I'll see you soon. Bye. Bye. We got our tickets for the opera, but it starts at 5 o'clock. So while we're waiting, we found this market, and it was only for one day. So we were quite lucky that we found this market and see what the deal is about. They've got really quirky things here. There's also people selling earrings, souvenirs, caricatures next to the river, so you can buy stuff from here as well. It's a nice day. This is the place where we're going to see the opera. You can take photos and videos, but unfortunately I didn't take any because I didn't want to ruin my moment. But here we are in one of the towns, and the water wheel is actually working. Unlike the one in London, we don't really have water wheels anymore that's working. So it's really good to see one that is working still. Here we are in the Beatles mural. The Beatles mural represents anti-violence and independence of their own country, and they've also got lots of poems about anti-violence and anti-war. So this is really nice. Check back for part 3 of my Prague trip. I'll see you soon. Bye. Remember to subscribe and like down below.